kid. With the accent wall. Gosh. I like that color.
Dude, what's that? Racist?
Oh no, it was like that. There was a piece of wood on top. And they didn't, so you couldn't really see that it was, yeah, I like that color.
You really interrupted his flow, honestly. He has music banging.
We about to go.
Who's in
Calm
a
your
groove.
nerves.
You know how it is when you're in a groove?
Yeah, I know. We about to go. I like this color. No, I be picking the.
How are you?
I be picking them colors, boy.
What was that?
And I got it for $10.
You doing a lot of fake dancing.
The dog behind you is gonna get you.
Your hand on the door.
Why?
I can't save us both.
Wow. Wow, Mankey. That means you're not gonna tip to save me. It's given. You're gonna be like, oh no, the dog got her. It's her life insurance paid up.
Goddamn, that little money.
That's what you think.
Damn, it ain't millions, niggas. Look.
You don't know that it
Mine was
ain't.
millions.
You don't know that it ain't. It don't matter if it was. If you let it go, now I gotta keep you alive. See what I'm saying? Bring yourself. Let them work.
Let's get that on now. Let's see.
Come on, little boy blue.
This. Find a piece that look like a 3-inch. No, 2.5 inch. Well, maybe it's a 3. Might be a 3-inch. Yeah, it's a 3. Right. Jerry, probably should get this couch out of here before they start painting, because I don't want to get it painted, and then when it's time to get the couch out, it's gonna mess up the walls. Just gotta take it apart from the bottom. Down here. Oh, checking out the progress. This is like the second day. Well, yesterday ain't nobody show up, and it ain't nobody here now. Wonder why. What the hell's going on? Let me call this dude.
Anthony,
What up?
not much, man. I'm on my way over there. I'm running late.
I see, ain't nobody show up yesterday either.
Yeah. No, yeah, they were there yesterday.
No, nobody here yesterday.
Yeah, no, but I'm on my way over there because I'm taking care of the kitchen and the tiles. So, nobody do that, just only me. I'll be there.
You already took care to make sure the plumbing good?
Yeah. I'm gonna. It was leaking water, but I'm gonna make sure everything is leaking. Leave it running, and you will see the difference at 3 o'clock when I send you the pictures of everything and how the kitchen is gonna look when I get it done. I gotta get it done today.
Alrighty.
Okay, you look smoky.
Yep.
Yeah.
And he done bent up one of my lights. What the hell? Come on. Bruh. I came over here 2 days ago and the dang on ceilings was... Okay, they fixed it. They painted it flat now. But it was gloss white. I'm like, what the hell? Why y'all paint the ceilings gloss white, bro? I didn't know what the hell I was saying. It's like, me hablo en English. I'm like, what? I'm like, don't worry about it. Now, see, this one is semi-gloss. Or is that eggshell? That might be eggshell, but it's supposed to be flat. Is this one flat? I think this one's flat. Did they do this one flat? Nope, semi-gloss in here. Tripping, man. But anyway, I need a bucket of paint. Take to a different house. My dog Bobby done came through from Cali.
Come on, man.
All the way in here. What you bought? 3 houses? Oh no, you bought 3, you got one back. Or gave one back.
Bought 3.
And
left with 2.
cause some hater. Tell the story, man. Matter of fact, I forgot. You ain't told it on camera yet.
Hey,
Hater burnt your shit up.
bought the house, a little squatter issue. I wasn't even kicking them out or nothing.
Right. You was actually being more diplomatic than I would have.
Man, that's what everybody was saying. They like, man, you being too nice.
Well, I feel you though, cause you ain't here to see it, to keep on, check on the house.
Bought it, did all the work, cleaned it up, paying these cats, put some money in their pocket, all that. Come back, house gone.
They done burnt it up because you told them to get out. You got it from the auction, right? I ain't never bought a house from the auction. Cause you couldn't go in.
Unseen.
Right, you couldn't go inside. Right, okay. That's why I don't like it.
The only thing you can see is the outside. But
so you couldn't see if anybody was in there.
Yeah. So when I went though, nobody was in there when I was there. But after I got it, that's when the people came. And then they already knew that.
Oh yeah, I remember. They were like fixing on it or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, you pulled up.
Supposedly fixing.
Yeah, you pulled up. Niggas was fixing on the house. I was like, huh? That was crazy. Then they done burnt it up, but they gave your money back. That was cool.
Yeah. Because it's a little clause if you read the.
Oh yeah.
Clause in there. So
that was dope though, cause I thought it was over.
Yeah.
I was like, damn.
I just didn't understand.
25 racks down the drain. That's what I was thinking.
I won't work.
What you talking about, your house? Man, I told you I got somebody, dog. I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna hook you up with somebody that's gonna do it for half the price. This nigga.
What is it?
You go get somebody half the price, man.
I don't give up.
Yeah, you do. You over here trying to take customers. This nigga Joe, boy.
Yeah, okay.
You think I'm joking, nigga? I got somebody.
I get that job on the way back. Go. Yeah, what in here for? That's your boss. Your boss.
Let me tell this job turkey that. Then he gonna overcharge you. That's the wrong thing to say. Now he gonna double it. No, I said 500, not 250. You didn't tell me it was the Negro's house.
Give me a headache with all that fucking bullshit.
Shut up. This whole side over here. Man, what's up with these wires? What is? I hope that. Oh, that's cable. That ain't that. Yeah, that's the cable. So I had to put the window in. He gonna have to come back and do whatever the hell this is. Did not work out right. And it's still wet. Probably because it's too cold. He probably should have just waited to do this when the weather changed. But anyway, it did look like that. But I have to do this little hopper window in case niggas gotta get out of here because they getting beat up or something. We gotta go.
Well, it's cold out here, man.
Yeah, and so the room.
Hey, man, y'all don't come out here if you don't like cold weather, man. You're real tropical like myself.
I know, right?
From that Northern California, man.
Sure, he got one also.
Yeah, here's what you got, you know what I mean?
Just unlock the door with the key.
I just heard my truck.
All right. Well, go find them. Let's see, they were locked in. Yeah, this is nice.
Ooh, that basement is not easy on those.
A little black angel.
What's gonna look like that angel? It's low key cute. Oh.
Put it up on the fireplace. I don't though. I bet you they break it, so put it up here. They good for breaking stuff.
You gonna paint something in this area right here?
No. Paint
No?
this whole wall green.
No, I mean it'll be something fly.
Oh, the wall, yeah, it's gonna be an accent wall with some type of design. I don't know what yet. It ain't gonna be just that square. It'll be the
I
whole-
got a vision in my mind. You wanna hear it?
Sure.
Okay. Painting. And get two colors, two different colors, and paint swirls like this.
Why would I do that?
Stop. Cause that's a cute design.
I'll see what I can do.
Trying to help you out.
Is that what it is? Does
Clearly.
it help?
That's all I've been doing since I met you.
Right. The good old help. Damn floor so high up.
But listen, get the ones that slant up. That's high on this side and then low, like it's high right here, low down.
It's called a threshold or transition.
Yeah, that.
That's what I bought from them boys we met at Target. Oh yeah, it do. Nope, it don't. Damn.
Oh, Reckon told me to ask you.
Don't ask me nothing. We ain't friends. And I ain't friendly.
Okay. Do you know?
You gonna ask anyway, huh?
Yeah. Do you know anybody who can fix the?
I know
city
somebody that
garbage
know. I know somebody that can fix anything.
Okay, well, no, that's not gonna work.
Damn it. Well, it would if I had something to cover that hole, but then it would be off center, which looks stupid. So I just gotta. Dang it! I gotta order a separate one. Well, I can't order it. I bought this off Marketplace. I have to order one now. Use this for
It will be used. No worries.
a different sink. I know it will. Turn this damn heat down. Nigga, I ain't paying no bills around here. Hold this for a sec.
That's it. I got you.
Alright.
Okay, perfect.
Yep. Get a match. I think. Alright. Go. Sure. I prefer the shiny girl. That's shiny. I can't have two shinies connected.
You can, but that works.
You can, but I don't.
That's not the look you're going for.
Exactly. Exactly, as Noah says.
Exactly.
Exact. Got the key. What's up? What's up, compadre? Oh, you fixed the light. Look at you, being all proactive and whatnot. I was thinking about putting it over here.
Pues está bien, lo podemos poner ahí si quieres. No sé tú.
Sí.
Está bien.
¿Está bien? No, what you just say?
I mean, it's okay. I mean, we could cut the trim and then put it inside of the trim. That way, it hits all the way the two corners. Oh, I know why. Because you want the fridge inside of it.
Yeah, it wants to be like the inside of it.